That is what this picture here explains, the primordial space. See, so far I was saying as entity. Do you understand? I was saying only entity. Now Maharishi says, what is that entity? It is the space. Space is limitless. All other things are limited. Your sun is limited in size. Maybe big one, but it is limited. So only things that is limitless is space. So Maharishi identifies that entity as what? As space. The moment he says space, it becomes also scientific. Because space is a word very popular in science. It becomes scientific. Now, if we say that entity is space, I am of what? I am of space, that's all. I am of space. If that entity, if we call it Brahman, if we call the name by Brahman, who are you? Brahman. Aham Brahmasmi. That's a great word. That's a great sentence. Aham Brahmasmi. If we call that Brahman. If we call that Allah, you are free. Then who are you? I am of Allah. Okay? If we call that Almighty Father, who are you? I am the son of my Father. So everything is reduced there. Depends upon what you like to be called, that's all. You may call it Allah, you may call it Brahman, or you may call it what? Almighty Father, or you may call it Shiva. Anything you call, but you are of that. Okay? By simply being scientific, I call it space. That's all, no problem. With any religion, I don't have a problem. Absolutely no problem. I call it a space. I am of space, that's all. So the space, and then the particles, and then the elements, and the reptiles, everything, and then the human being. Human being with the government, all the election, everything is there. Is it not? What next? Question mark. What next is a question mark. No, he knows.